Greetings everyone, this is Tom from RedHaven Paranormal. Hey, this evening I'm going to go over an app that I've used before, and I got a little bit of feedback coming from speaker, but from Jase Onfoy, who sent me a message asking me to try some experiments with the app I got here, Spain's Paranormal ITC Box 2. Now this one you have 3 banks on it, A, B, and C. You have the trigger speed, which can go all the way up or slow, and then the echo. Now he would like me to try it with the echo turned all the way down, the trigger speed turned all the way up, and just running one bank at a time. So let's try and see how it works. We're going to start off with bank A. The trigger speed has been turned up all the way. I'm going to turn it on right there. Hello, spirits. Can you hear me? Can you use this app to communicate with me? My name is Tom. I welcome the caring and loving spirits. Nothing mean or nasty is allowed to come through. If you do try to come through, you'll be escorted out. We have bouncers. So tell me, spirits, can you use this app? How about tell me your name? I'll go first, and then you can give me your name. My name is Tom, and I welcome you in. Can you hear me? Can you use this turned all the way up? There's plenty of energy here. I have crystals for you to use. They were charged by the moon and the sun. So they have plenty of energy. I'm going to switch the banks. I'm going to switch to bank B. You can keep talking. Go ahead. Now, something to be remembered about this app. This app does run in forward and reverse. And the language that you hear are the actual words being broken up into the synonyms. Bits and pieces of the language. This is what the spirits use to manipulate, to transform into words so they communicate. Isn't that right? Yep. Can you tell me your name? Hello? Hi? Okay, I'm going to try bank C. How about that bank? Can you communicate through that one? How many are here? How many spirits? 10. Is that what I heard? 10? Is there a question that you want to ask me? Would you like to ask me a question? So which bank do you like? You like A, B, or C? Turn the trigger speed, crank it all the way down and let it go through. How about that? Was that too fast for you? Would you like me to slow it down a little? All right, we're going to try A and C now. There's so many different variables you can go through with this, with the 3 channels. Add B bank to it. Okay, we're going to go back just to the 1 bank. Bank to A. We're at just a little bit of echo. Can you tell me your names again? Can you tell me how old you are? Alright, try bank B with a little bit of echo. So how do you like my little studio, spirits? I'm going to start doing these sessions out here. It never fails, does it? Now, spirits, with it getting close to Halloween, I'm going to be coming to you and asking I'm going to be asking some questions of you. With it being close to Halloween, I'm going to be asking some questions of you soon. And then in November, before the presidential elections in the United States, I want to ask a few questions of you, and maybe you can think about it until then, and let me know, who do you think will win the presidency? Don't answer that now, think about it, and in November, I'll do a session with you and ask you about it. Is that okay? Okay, we're going to do bank C. So do these crystals help you, spirits? All right, spirits. I'm going to be ending this session. I'm going to turn all three banks on. So if you have anything to say, please say it. Okay. At the count of 3, I'm going to end this. Here we go. 3. Bye. 2. 1. I thank you for communicating with me, and I look forward to another session soon. Until the meantime, I release you. Please return to where you came. You are not allowed to stay here. Thank you and goodbye. Well, everyone, that was the test for the... Let me get rid of the echo. That's a little bit better. I thank you for staying to the end of this video. Oh my God. All kind of backfeed. Alright, now this app here from Spain Paranormal, ITC Box 2, you can get it off the Google Play Store. It is a free app. All you gotta do is download it. Remember, whenever you're using these apps, please remember to treat the spirits kindly. Don't be hateful. Don't be trying to boss them around. Ask, don't tell. Treat them as you would want to be treated yourself. That's all part of communicating with the spirit world, is communicating with them as part of the living world that you want to be treated as. So, I thank you all for staying around and watching this video. I do have a merch, my new shirts that are out, as you can see. The links are down below in the descriptions and everything. If you want to stop by and check some of the shirts out, feel free to. And remember, it's a small thing that you can do for me. A big thing is to hit that subscribe button, hit that link button, and drop a comment of what you might have heard, what you didn't hear, what you think about my new setup that I'm going to be doing some the videos from. And I greatly appreciate all the subscribers that I do have that come back and watch my videos. It means a lot to me, and I thank you all. And I thank the new subscribers that are coming. Without you guys, I wouldn't be making these videos. So please keep it up. Let's keep going. I have another app that I am going to be reviewing. Also, it is a new app that I'm going to review. And guys, stay tuned because I will be doing a new review of a new app that I found on the Google Play Store. It is called Paranormal Hauntings by Brian Holloway. It has several features, 2 ambient switches. It has a echo switch, and then the power switch, and then your speed button and everything else. I will be trying this out and doing a test and review on it and posting it on here. So everybody stay tuned, and I hope the app works pretty good for me. And if it does, I recommend that you guys get it. And then I've got a test and review that I'm going to be doing through the Apple Play Store on a paranormal app on that. So with that being said, I thank everybody for stopping in and watching this video, for hanging tight through some of the technical glitches that I had this evening. And hopefully the next session will go a little bit smoother. And remember, everybody has something to say, the living and the dead. All we need to do is learn to listen. Until the next time, see you guys later. Take care. God watch over you and protect you. Remember, 6 feet, wear your mask. Everybody be safe. Let's kick COVID in the butt. Bye, everybody.